Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to completely disable your camera in Windows 11 or Windows 10 if you want a little extra privacy. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, scroll down until you find the Camera section, then double-click it to expand the list. Here you'll see your webcam. For example, mine is the HP HD camera. Now simply right-click on your camera and choose Disable Device. A warning message will appear. Just click Yes to confirm. On some computers, Windows may ask you to restart your PC. You can restart immediately or click No and do it later. That's it. You can now close Device Manager. Now let's make sure the camera is actually disabled. Open the Start menu, search for the camera app and launch it. As you can see, Windows shows a Can't Start Your Camera error. That means your webcam has been successfully disabled. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.